up everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Home Depot Captain Cuts. Alright, this guy is pretty awesome. He has all kinds of servo movements. It's basically Lethal Lily from last year, but in a pirate, which is great because I am going to have a little underwater area this year. And I'm like, this guy will go great with it. And he's definitely better than the other one they made this year. And for only $250, it's not bad at all. Right here we have first the base. Looks pretty nice. Definitely has a great amount of supports. One like so it doesn't go sideways, and also some so it doesn't go to the front or back. Definitely good. They also have the shoe thing so the shoes don't move. Pretty good looking base. Right here we have a sword, which looks really good. It actually does light up, so that's really nice. Right here we have a ton of leg foam. This looks to be one of the arms. Doesn't have any mechanism or anything. This just has a cord going through it, so something on the other side of this arm will light up. This arm looks basically identical to the last one. Right here we have this little parrot. It's kind of like the Gravedigger last year, the ornithological assistant. Right here we have his head. It looks really good. You can see the servo thing down here. And then this actually also all gets like released down to make a big beard. It looks like it's gonna be absolutely amazing. And then obviously he has those eye movements and the eye blinking. It has the same kind of material up here as like Yoda, Lethal Lily, all the ones that have that kind of motion. Then the back is just a hard plastic. But yeah, he does have that glass eye, which is very cool. One of the eyes is real, one of them has the glass eye, so that's very detailed. Then they also have actually a little bit of bloodshot over there, which is extremely detailed. I would never expect that. Right here looks like part of his mechanism that goes like side to side. Has some little like springs. Very interesting. Right here we have this fish hook, which actually does look like it lights up. I heard a bunch of people complaining about this hook, saying it doesn't look good or anything. I really like the look of it, especially in person. It's very detailed with like the art kind of design on it. Right here looks to be a necklace of some sort. Looks pretty nice. It's got like a pirate on it. Right here we have what I believe to be his shirt, because I do see like sleeves over here. Pretty good quality. It feels like, I don't know what prop it feels like, but it feels pretty nice quality. Right here we have his adapter. Right here we have his hat, which actually does have some hair coming out the back. Has a feather. It looks really nice. Right here we have his pants. These feel kind of like Frankenstein's pants, honestly. Frankenstein's pants weren't horrible, but the shirt was. And these kind of feel like the pants on Frankenstein. Right here we have his module area with the control box. I'm gonna make sure that audio is up all the way. It does have lights only feature. It has the sensor and on, like off and step pad. So yeah, this I assume attaches to something. I don't know what yet though. Right here we have the instructions, just regular paper instructions, nothing special at all. Right here we have his boots, which are amazing. I love the mud stains on them. They're very good material. This on top feels very like Darth Vader, which is one of the most high quality animatronics you can have from Home Depot especially. Yeah, definitely pleased with these. And finally, in this box, we have what I believe to be all the leg pulls. Yeah, that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. All right, guys, I got him all set up. Let's plug him in.
Here be another scallywag to join me crew. Step in line and hop to, or I'll cut ye down and swamp the deck with your entrails. Don't be jumping ship now, landlubber. We be setting sail for distant ports unknown. We're out to find the greatest treasure. I don't care who I have to cut down until it's mine, even if that includes you. Only rum can slake me first. So, pour me some now before ye join those scurvy dogs in Davy Jones's locker. I'll drink every tavern dry and cut every enemy down till I'm satisfied. If ye ain't partial to honest pillaging, ye pump scoundrel, then ye can walk the plank. But empty your pockets first, as you won't be needing any coin where you're going. Dead men tell no tale. You done found me secret map, and I can't be having that information leaking anywhere. You should have thought out your life before you dared to find me treasure.
All right, guys, so that was Captain Kutch from Home Depot, new for 2024. This guy is absolutely amazing. He's totally worth his price of $250. My dad didn't even do his little, whatever he does for this price. $250 is not bad at all. This guy really does look like a Disney character. Like, you could literally put this in like a amusement park. I don't think people would be like, oh, what is that, I think he totally looks good enough for that. He's going to go great with my underwater display for this year. And overall, yeah, this guy's just absolutely amazing. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase this guy. I'm not sure if he's still in stock. I don't think he is, but they should be releasing a second batch later in the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll also leave a link to my merch shop. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.